Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ayodhya and today we are kicking off our English speaking course with a fundamental topic, greetings and introductions. Mastering these basics is a crucial aspect for any English speaker. So let's begin the session. Segment first, greetings. A greeting is the first step in any conversation. It is an act of communication. Greetings are so important. They unlock a conversation and set the tone and make you approachable like connectors. So, see the first one. Informal greetings. Hello, hi, you can say to your friends. Then, formal greetings. Remember that you can say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You can use these expressions while talking to your elder persons and respected people. So, see the next point. There are some casual greetings. Hey, what's up? And how day? Then we can see that another type of greetings, formal greetings. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. And how do you do? These are some expressions. Segment 2. Introductions. Introductions set the tone for any interaction. Let's discuss how to do self-introduction. As you can say, hi, I am Ayodhya. Here you can put your name and get a lot of practice. Our second point is that asking for names. You can ask the questions in the following manner or way. What's your name? May I ask whom I am speaking to? Now let's get to the third point, providing information. For example, as I can say, I am from Pune. I work at MNC Pune. After that, see the practice session for you. Now, let's practice together. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Greet them and introduce yourself in the comments below. Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect. That concludes our first lesson on greetings and introductions. Remember, consistency is key. So keep practicing these basic conversational skills. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more English speaking tips. Stay tuned for our next lesson on building vocabulary. Until then, keep speaking and studying. This is Ayodhya Jadhav signing off.